Oh, it's actually in focus. Now look at that. Before we get started, be sure to hit the notification bell for new videos and subscribe. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Shay, and I am here with another review. No, nothing with the first one. It's your girl Shay, and I'm here with my first review of this Amazon product. We're going to do an unboxing and try them out. So let's get started. So to start off, I ordered these from Amazon, try before you buy. So I got them for $0.00. As I mentioned in my previous video, I have been wanting to get some slippers so I could start, walking around my hardwood floors with slippers on. And I buckled and I got the UGG slippers. So we're gonna see if I like them. I did get a kid size because I usually wear like a 6.5. So I got a kid size. I'm terrified that these will not fit correctly, but this is what they look like. I think they're so cute. I was not expecting them to be, I thought they was gonna be cute, obviously, or I wouldn't have gotten them, but these are super cute, and I like the grip at the bottom. So even if I didn't have the thing on the stairs, these would be really good for that. The current slippers that I have on, these are so flat. There's no cushion. I hate walking around in them. So, it's literally like day and night. Like, this is old slipper. This is new slipper. So, yeah, I can't believe they might be a little bit big. So, I'm going to try these on. That's the right foot. I took the left foot off. I did my toes yesterday all by myself. Oh my God, y'all, I'm not sending these back. I'm gonna have to pay for these because no, I'm never letting these go. These so for real right now. Okay, I will say the strap is a little bit long, so I probably could have, what did I go with? I think a size 5. I probably could have went down a half a size, but literally they fit so good. So this is what they look like from a top view. Don't judge my legs. No, I did not shave, but still, I don't know how I feel about the toe area. I don't like that my baby toe is not peeking through. But they're super cute. Cute. So I definitely could have gone a half size down. I feel like it's a little too much space, with the part that goes behind your heel. I feel like it's a little too loose. But I have wide feet, so if I would have went a half size down, you would probably see 2 toes in the front. But I love them. I think, I gotta break them in, but they seem cool to me so far. So like I said, I got these through the Amazon try before you buy. So I have 7 days to try these slippers out, and we will see how I like them after 7 days. So come back for the update video. This was just a short, sweet unboxing review. I can't wait to see. I'm hoping I like them. Like I said, other than the strap everything else seems really fine so far. I like the platform on it. Like I said, I went from sad Shein slipper to UGG. So I will gladly take the Uggs. And I like that my toes are out. I feel like that's the reason I usually don't wear slippers, is I don't like my feet to be confined all like that. But these are so much better. And I also feel like I struggle with those old slippers to keep them on my feet. Like as I'm walking around, like I feel like I really gotta like think about it, if that makes sense. As opposed to like these with the sling back, they just stay on. So we'll see. I'm gonna give it a try. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If they're cute, if you think I should keep them, if I should size down, let me know. Thank you. See you next time.